Welcome to 3210 Salem Road, an impressive property with a custom-built executive bungaloft nestled amongst other multi-million-dollar estates within the prestigious Staxton Glen hamlet of North Pickering. With a lot size of approximately 132 by 494 feet and set well back from the road, this estate property has a very deep backyard with a deck, a play structure, and exceptional potential for further landscaping, as well as an extensive U-shaped driveway with an oversized triple-car garage with an epoxy floor on the north side of the home. Lush hydrengea plantings in the front yard evoke the timeless charm of countryside living. A grand stone walkway beckons you to a covered front porch with a front door and a wood floor in shades of blue that further accentuates the exterior aura of a country lifestyle. And through the front entrance is an absolutely stunning home filled with luxurious appointments and unsurpassed attention to detail. Wide plank light-colored engineered flooring, high ceilings with pot lighting, and multiple windows for abundant natural light enhances the spacious open concept layout of this dream entertainer's home. Along the west wall of the living room are sliding doors to the backyard deck dressed with a painted pine drapery valance. A gas fireplace with a stone accent facade is surrounded by a built-in mantel and media cabinet, and above, a coffered ceiling with crown moldings defines the space for this room. Light and dark blue cabinetry, gold-colored accents, and gorgeous glass globe pendant lights above an island with seating brings a French-inspired countryside aura to the exceptional workspace of the custom kitchen. The cabinetry also has soft-closing hardware as well as stacked uppers with moldings, while the doors of the French door fridge and the dishwasher are paneled for a seamless finish. Other high-end appliances include a built-in coffee maker and 2 microwaves, as well as a 5-burner La Cornue gas range with the convenience of a pot filler faucet. And for finishing touches, the kitchen features the iridescence of a mother-of-pearl backsplash, the natural beauty of stone countertops, and the elegant simplicity of a farmhouse sink. Beautifully suited as either an impressive formal dining room or family room, the great room showcases a vaulted ceiling with painted pine beams and 2 crystal nimbus ring chandeliers. A gas fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel and wood beam shelf spreads warmth throughout. Windows on its 3 walls provide panoramic views, and a sliding door opens to the backyard, extending the entertaining onto a huge tiered wood deck with built-in seating, a privacy wall, and a metal gazebo. The north wing is where you find a laundry room with stacked washer and dryer, storage cabinets, a quartz counter with a stainless steel sink, and a walkout to the backyard, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink. Both spaces featuring textured wallpaper, modern chandeliers, and marble floors tiled in a basket weave design. The landing area has a double closet, a pantry closet, as well as a basket weave tiled marble floor and a seat outside the door to access the triple-car garage, and there is also a linen closet between the second and third bedrooms. Both bedrooms feature wainscoting, papered upper walls finished with deep crown moldings and contemporary light fixtures. One bedroom has a double closet, and both share access to a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom with a herringbone tiled marble floor, a vanity with quartz counter and gorgeous vanity sconces, as well as a water closet with upgraded tiles finishing its bath and shower area. The landing is also brightened by a modern lantern light, and the wood staircase leads to a naturally bright and very spacious loft that can also be utilized as an in-law or long-term guest suite. Featuring wide plank engineered flooring and pot lighting, off its landing is an open closet with organizers, 2 other storage closets, as well as a luxurious 4-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a vanity with quartz counter and makeup area, a jetted tub, and a glass shower with rainfall shower head. Through a double pocket door entry is the open concept living space, which incorporates living, dining, and bedroom areas, has a vaulted ceiling, a plaster accent wall, and a window seat with built-in shelving and storage. And has a modern kitchen complete with shaker-style cabinetry, stainless steel appliances and sink, a quartz counter, and a subway tiled backsplash. The entrance foyer features crown moldings, a trimmed wall along the lower level staircase, a contemporary chandelier, and an oversized double closet. And just off this space is a private den with wainscoting and tone-on-tone striped walls, a coffered ceiling with crown moldings and a chandelier, as well as a French door entry. The master suite embodies refined luxury, showcasing the elegance of trimmed walls, a coffered ceiling with crown moldings, a chandelier, and a gas fireplace with a limestone mantel. The bedroom has its own private walkout to the backyard deck, while its combined ensuite washroom and dressing room has been luxuriously appointed with heated marble flooring, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, exquisite vanity sconces and 3 chandeliers, a freestanding tub, marble finishes in the water closet and in a glass shower with rainfall shower head, as well as a closet and dressing area with a full suite of organizers and a stone perfume counter. Fully developed, the lower level features pot lighting and high-quality laminate flooring, with wide plank engineered flooring in its lower landing, off of which is storage under the stairs, a cold room, and a 3-piece washroom with upgraded floor tiles, a glass shower with subway tiled walls and a marble floor, as well as a vanity with countertop basin. Also off the landing is a generously sized bedroom with ample space for a sitting area, 2 oversized windows with California shutters, as well as a walk-in closet plus another storage closet. Movie nights with friends and family can be enjoyed in the comfort of the massive home theater room, which showcases tiered platforms and lavish reclining seats for 16, plus a projector, movie screen, and audio system. Beyond the theater room is more entertaining space, which can also be utilized as a guest suite, and which features a kitchenette with cabinets, a sink, and a quartz counter, a media room with California shutters on its oversized window, and a bedroom with 2 separate mirrored door double closets, both of these spaces having double door entries, as well as a spacious games and recreation room. While other superb features this home has to offer include custom draperies and motorized blinds, upgraded trims, baseboards, and crown moldings, a built-in speaker system, as well as a separate entrance to the lower level via a hardwood staircase from the garage. A beautiful presence within a rural setting away from the hustle and bustle of city living, while being close to the Deer Creek Golf Club, conservation areas, and trails. This magnificent home is just minutes from the urban centers of Pickering and Ajax for everyday amenities, with access to Highway 7, 407, and the 401 for commuting just a short drive away.